Do you want to let users select options easily in your Python GUI? In this video, we'll add two very useful widgets, a listbox and a combo box. First, we create a function called onListboxChange. This function runs every time the user selects a different item from the listbox. It prints the selected item to the console so you can see the current choice. Next, we create another function called onComboChange. This one runs when the user picks a new option from the combo box, which is basically a drop-down menu. Like the listbox, it prints the selected value to the console. Inside our window labeled Listbox and Combo example, we add both the listbox and combo box widgets, linking each to their respective callback functions. After setting up the viewport and starting DearPyGui, you can try selecting different items and watch the console update live with your choices. In the next video, we'll dive into more widgets to make your GUIs even more interactive. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned.